My name is Zachary Bennett. I am 6 days into a water-only fast. Today I wanted to talk about mental health, the nervous system, our gut flora, healthy bacteria, and our habits. We're taught that religions all around the world fast as a sense of clarity, a sense of purity. I don't believe modern science recommends a fast. Modern science says we need minerals, and yet our bodies are designed to go into a fast. This is why we have excess fat cells. A disclaimer, I'm not supporting a fast. I'm not trying to get in trouble. I'm simply sharing my experience with you. My body told me to go into a fast. I didn't research this and jump on a bandwagon. I wasn't following some hype. My body communicated with my brain and decided enough was enough. It's time to reset, it's time to flush, release the trauma, reset the bacteria, rewire the nervous system. I'm on day 6. Yesterday and today I've noticed a profound change. I've been diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder. I have all the common symptoms. I used to get stuck in trauma loops and replay the thoughts over and over in my head, most of the time for days, sometimes for weeks. I've even had it last for months. For the first time in my life, I was able to break the trauma loop immediately. Yesterday was something as simple as burning sage. This is a profound change in me. I'm very thankful. I do fully believe that the fast has done something to my central nervous system. People have been commenting how calm I am and how processed I am, and I wanted to make this video. There's a spiritual teacher named Jesus who claimed to have fasted for 40 days. It appears to be a calm story from what I've read. I personally don't know if I would have been as calm through so much injustice. 40 days is a long time to fast. I could see a habit being built. They say 28 days, 30 days to build a habit. We look inside ourselves and we say, can we break society's habit? Society's norms? Can we ask ourselves what it is we truly desire, what we truly want, what we truly feel is best for ourselves? We're told to get a job, pay rent, buy a mortgage. Is that what aligns with us? Consumerism, mass incarceration, poor health. These are our society's norms. Can we choose to change those habits within ourselves? Can we ask ourselves what it is we want and not what society wants? When we're at the end of the road, when we no longer exist, will we have lived a life we wanted, or will we have lived a life society wanted for us? We teach ourselves habits like meditation, yoga, eating right, breathing. Are we teaching ourselves the habits of living right, of loving one another, of being fulfilled, of making a difference in the world? I choose to find peace. I choose to devote my habits towards being peace. I'm not supporting a fast. I'm simply sharing with you what it's enlightened me with. Knowing we have this life, we choose how we spend it. We can follow modern science or modern religion. We can follow ourselves and truly ask ourselves what is right for us. What will have made my life worth living? A new car won't make me happy. A bigger house with higher property taxes? That sounds stressful. Health, longevity. When I'm 70 years old, I do not want to be bent over in pain. As a man, I want to be able to feel my emotions. I'd like to be able to share with other men, to encourage other men how it's okay to feel. Breath, yoga, meditation, food, meaning, life, even love. Thank God for love. Our greatest habits start within ourselves. Society doesn't need to dictate where we find ourselves. There are so many spiritual teachers, all attempting the same thing: to lead one another to more fulfilled lives. And this is what I'm sharing: my path to a fulfilled life. I don't have all the answers. I'm simply living just another day, just like everyone else. This is not a sermon. This is an everyday conversation. My life's calling is to help, is to share, is to enlighten as many as I can. Omnism has become my walk, my path, my life. I challenge you today to question what beliefs you have that society has made you. I challenge you today to question what it is you truly want. We don't need to live in fear of rejection. Our friends, our family, our careers, what these societal norms might judge us for. I'm not here to judge you for being your better self, for being your true self. I encourage you to also treat others the same. Society is always changing, always growing, always evolving, passing down new societal expectations, new norms. If we look back through all of human history, everything's contradicting itself. The truth is to be yourself, to be content